in Venice Beach with an itch for some nicotine. Stepped outside and saw the sun and felt the rays against my cheek. Life is sweet, but the end is near, so wasting time is suicide. I'm down to ride and I'm always here, locked up in my own heart, trying to find my own peace. Focus on survival and forget about that old feast. I'm all good, no bad days. Crushing out a roach with my 2 fingers in the ashtray, unfolding like a lotus. Happiness is my motive, poetry's my modus. Used to fear that no one would notice, now there's thousands that know this.